Lesson,
2,
class,
6,
board, West Bengal Council. West Bengal, West Bengal Board, okay. West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Oh no, it is sorry. Right. No, sir, it is okay. Okay, exercise. Is the earth round? What a picture it is to play about out in the ground in the spring. The brisk breeze, the clear blue sky, your vision runs undistracted through a long distance on all sides. When you look around from a certain height, you can see still farther. The earth seems like a large round pancake. The sky is huge dome covering it. One good sprint can take you to the horizon where the sky meets the earth. Now, what do you mean by horizon? Here, horizon means where the sky meets the earth. Okay. When you see in the field, paddy field, agriculture field, you can see, feel that anywhere the sky meets the earth, or you can see if in the ocean, have you gone Diga, Diga in the sea, you see the sky is meeting water. That's it's called where the sky meets the earth is called horizon. Next, in ancient times, men actually believed that the earth is like a plot around pizza bread, and the sky is like an overturned bow on it. There was no train or aeroplane then. Men started going out in expeditions, expeditions on camelback, big boats, and vessels to actually find out the limits of the earth those times. One can make an interesting observation in the sea. As a ship embarks on a voyage and leaves the harbor, one can see the whole ship initially. That is, you see, whole ship. Then the sail and anything above it, and finally only the tip of the mast before it disappears. It means that the ship is moving away down on down an arc-shaped slab. You're seeing the ship and looking like this one by one. First all, then here, here, here. Okay. It means the earth is like a arc-shaped slope. Okay. Next, you can verify this when you stand on the sea coast or beside a lake. 200 years before the birth of Jesus, Christ. Aristo, Eratosthenes, Eratos, Eratosthenes, or say Eratosthenes, Eratosthenes, the Greek philosopher, observed this and stated that the earth is spherical. The earth is spherical. Aristophanes. Okay? Say this. Next. Centuries passed by, men learned to make big marine vessels. Mariners set out in these vessels to go round the world. Magellan, the Portuguese explorer, set out with 5 vessels in this voyage in 1522. He always went westwards before he actually came back to the port from where he started. This circumnavigation circumnavigation proved conclusively that the earth was round. Magna. Next. Why don't we feel that the earth is round? Why? It is that the earth the earth is so big that whatever little part of it we can see at a glance seems to be flattened. Look at the 4 acres arc I has arc I one ठीक है, has the smallest radius and arc for the largest. You can see it. Smallest, largest. Okay. Then can you say which one has the maximum curvature? Yeah, maximum it is which one is the most straight trend? That is the most standard, I think it is, or it is.
Get.
It is carb more carb, less, and less. Next, more the radius of an arc, less is its curvature. Okay, the average radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometers. Standing on a sphere with such a big radius, we can actually get to see a very small part of it that makes the earth appear flat. Okay. Now the question is that why don't we feel the earth is round? Answer. The earth is so big that whatever little part of it we can see at a glance seems to be flattened. Why? You could also say this: more the radius of an arc, less its curvature. You can also like this: the average radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers. Standing on a sphere with such a big radius, we can actually get to see a very small part of it, and that makes the earth appear flat. What do you say? Which is your answer? Why don't we feel that the earth is round? First of all, say we can say that the Earth is not a straight line. Okay, say Earth is round, but we don't feel. Why? What is the reason? The Earth is round, but we don't feel. Why? Because we cannot see. We can see at a glance. When we can see a little part of it. We can see a little at a glance, a little part of it. We can see a little part of it. What will be your answer? We can see a little part of it. Okay, and the average radius of the Earth is what?
6.
6,400 kilometer. Okay, and here is also more the radius of an arc, less is its curvature. And here is also you can say some points. Staying on a sphere such a radius, we can actually get to see a very small part of it. The makes the Earth appear. You can find your answer from there to here, but not like all. You can write yourself. Why don't we feel the Earth is round? You can say the average radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometer. Okay, and standing on this, yeah, standing on this. Okay, we can see a little glance. We can see a little part of it. So the we feel that the Earth is round. Okay, now question answer. Can you write it? Why don't we feel that the Earth is round? Why we don't feel that the Earth is round? Here, the Earth is the Earth radius. You can say the Earth radius. Okay, here the Earth average radius. The Earth average radius or the average radius of the Earth. You can say. I think it is better for you. It is not good. Like this. Say the average. Say average
The average
radius
radius
of the Earth
of the Earth
is
is
6,400.
6,400 kilometer.
Now say the average radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometer. Right?
Yes.
The average radius of the Earth is 6,100
400 kilometer.
kilometer. Will you stop? So when we see, so we can see, we can see little little
Part.
part of it. Okay, little part of it. So we can see little part of it is standing on him, standing on it. So we can see little part of it Standing on it, you can little part of it is standing on it,
It.
or you can also write it is standing on it. So standing on it, we can see little part of it. Here you can write like this, two types. We can see little part of it is standing on it, or standing on it we can see what little part of it. That's why that's
Why?
why we feel that we
Feel that
feel that what question, the earth is round, the earth
it's round.
is round. Answer completed. Understand? Get it? What's it? Why don't, question is, why don't, right, we feel that the earth is round? Why don't we feel that the earth is round? The average radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers. Okay, standing on its, we can, so standing on its, I mean, we can see little part of it. That's why we feel that the earth is round.
Round.
Yeah, have you remember? Next. Okay, because if you are here, then you can see only these parts, not all. So you feel that that is the earth is what? Not round. It is plane. But actually the earth is round because we cannot see all parts of it. We can see here, here, and that is called horizontal. Here the meeting of the sky to the earth. It is a horizontal lines. Okay. Next. Easy task. Where is pencil? Easy task. Tie one end of a string to a pencil. Measure 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and 30 centimeter. Intercepts with the string and draw arcs with each as radius. You will get to know why we don't perceive the curvatures of the earth. You do this problem. Okay. Next. How else do we get to know? How else do we get to know? Next. You can see this picture one by one. Here is above, above, above. What does it say? The line along which the sky appears to have come with the earth is called horizon. What? The line along which the sky appears. The line along which the sky appears to have come with the earth is called what is horizon? Clear? Have you remember it? The horizon appears circular or arc-shaped when you stand on a round or in a wide open space. The sea appears circular from the deck of a ship. A large expanse of the earth is visible when seen from a higher position, but the horizon always remains circular. Okay, you can see this picture. The shadow of the earth on moon. The shadow of the earth on moon. Seen during a lunar eclipse is circular. Only a circular or a spherical object can cast a circular shadow. Yeah. Then what? Why don't we feel that the earth is round? One answer is that is. But here is the how do we know? How else do we get to know the earth is round? If say earth is round, you have to prove it. How can you prove it? First, you say the shadow of earth on the moon during a lunar eclipse is circular. Okay. Second is that here you can read it. The sun rises at different times in different parts of the earth. Had the earth now second is the sun rises different times in different parts of the earth. Had the earth been flat, all the places on earth would have experienced sunrise at the same times. These indirect proofs, observations, and logical deductions are redundant at present. Astronauts have now caught the sight of the bright blue spherical Earth from space. Aeroplanes and artificial satellites have taken photographs of the Earth. Now the Earth, here is the side of the Earth, blue spherical Earth, and from space. Astronauts have now caught the sight of the bright blue spherical Earth from space, and aeroplanes and artificial satellites have taken photographs from the
Earth.
of the Earth. Next is let's see the spherical Earth, pioneers of the concept. Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, observed the circular shadow of the Earth on the moon during the lunar eclipse and concluded that the Earth is round. What is Aryabhat, the ancient Indian scientist, and Artho, Ar, what is called Aristo, uh, Aristophanes, the Greek geographer, endorsed the idea of a round earth. Now, Aristotle, Aryabhat, Aristophanes, Aristophanes. But is the earth perfectly spherical? Who says the earth is spherical? Let's see. Uh, oh, what? Aristotle,
I
Aryabhat, Aristophanes.
am
Okay. In ancient times, but now all say the earth is what size is from the scale, satellite, aeroplanes. What is? But the question is that, but is the earth perfectly spherical? Prepare a medium sized dog of floor. Floor. Insert a big twig through the top. You do this from home, okay? If you have time. And make the dog spin visually, viciously around it. See what happens. Does the dog retain a perfectly spherical shape after it has spun for calm time? Does not it flatten out a little at the top and the bottom and bulge a bit in the middle? The earth is not as soft as a top of floor. Its crust is formed of hard geode rocks, but it also rotates around its axis at a great speed. So it is, suppose it rotates at its axis. Rotates axis. It is called axis, okay? So it is not perfectly spherical. It is somewhere flattened at the top and the bottom and a little buzzed in the middle. Although the shape of the earth is closely comparable to an orange or a pear, the fruit name, it can be most accurately described as earth-shaped or geode. Okay. The what is the size of the shape of the earth? It's a geode.
G.
Geode means earth-shaped. The circumference of the earth is approximately 40,000 kilometer. Circumference means this is circumference. Okay. What is circumference? 40,000 kilometer. The diameter of the earth from top to bottom is what? 12,714 kilometer from here to there, top to bottom, and it is 12,756 kilometer sideways. Note that the diameter is minus equal to 1242 kilometer bigger sideways. So the earth is bulged in the middle portions by about 12 kilometer. Now, over thought of it, ever thought of it. Mount Everest is the Himalayas is 88
8 48
8,148.86 meter
meter high.
high. You can also remember it, the Mount Everest height, and is the highest part of the earth. The Mariana Trench is in the Pacific Ocean. Where is Pacific Ocean? Has a depth of 10,915 meter and is the deepest part of the Earth's surface. The difference in elevations between the highest and lowest part of the Earth's surface is around 20,000 meter or 20 kilometer. Is the shape of the Earth affected by such massive undulations? Do all the mountains, plateaus, rivers, lakes, and seas make the surface of the earth uneven? Actually, the earth is a huge sphere. In, in spite of all the undulations on its surface, it can be considered to be pretty even. Now, where Mount Everest and it is Mariana Trench. And science says that the moon come from this side. Okay. Why don't we fall off the spherical Earth? The weight of an object is more at the poles than plan, more poles than of the equator of the surface of the earth. You remember this, okay? Why does why does this happen? Has this got anything to do with the shape of the earth? In this way, this second chapter is completed reading. Okay, the question answer next time.